guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's video we're going to be hitting up a car meet. First one in a while, and especially with the G35. Just got her finished, all cleaned up. Did a decent job, I guess. I haven't seen her this clean in quite a while. A quick update, guys. Fenders are primered, not done yet, still needs a little bit of work. Wing, did a little bit of work too on these end pieces on both sides, and the whole center I completely redid. It's not done yet, but it's looking good. Right. They're going to that meet, homie. Alright guys, so right now we have the homie. Oh yeah, they're definitely on a roll right now. Oh, I got stabbed by my hose. That hurt. So right now, guys, we're gonna make this beauty official, and we're gonna be slapping on the infamous VQ banner onto the G35. For those of you guys that don't know, what's that? For those of you guys that don't know, we are the first two SoCal members in infamous VQs, but I'm gonna be making a future video of that, so just stay tuned. That's not the whole purpose in this video. So right now we're gonna try to attempt, hopefully I don't mess up, but a infamous VQs. He's happy, guys. Dude, hell yeah. That's awesome. The two infamous VQs, it's official. First in Southern California, bro. How does that feel? Awesome. Alright guys, so we're a bit early. There's nobody here other than 3 boxed cars. The one in the middle is badass. I'll show you guys that in just a second. But, I mean, hopefully people come through. I mean, first time going to a meet in literally years. There's nobody here. Right, so I think we're going to try to find an empty lot and just kind of have a little bit of fun. But real quick, I want to show you this one Scion. Check this thing out. This thing's hard. Like, bro. This shit is sick, huh? Yeah. Dude. Oh my god. Look at that. This color is beautiful. It's actually, this is close to the color I was gonna do. But dude, this is dope. Those blast pipes though. Gee. I didn't even see that. The blast pipes? Yeah. Dude, yeah. Oh fuck. Yeah. This shit's pretty sick, dude. I like this a lot. This hood is dope too. Carbon. I think this is the color I was gonna do, to be honest. This looks just like it.
I won't take it back, cause I did this shit, I was a hoe. And I'm admitting it, I won't take it back, cause I did this shit, I was a hoe. More money.
Guys, we just got out here. It's a disclosed location out in Mexico. So, you wanna go first or me? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I don't really...
You don't have to. I'll do it. Just don't hit my car. Ooh.
That was fucking dope.
Alright, let's go. Look at me. What is it?
I don't know.
I thought it was a cop at first. I thought you were scaring me.
Looks like the Boston.
What, was he trying to race you?
Yeah.
Let me hear that two-step. Can I get your chicken strips kids meal?
Okay.
What kind of drink? Huh? Hi. Oh, sorry. He was trying to take the air.
Any sauce with that?
A lot of hot sauce, please.
Okay.
Get them gas station lighting videos, you know? Hey.
You just walk right out the door. Don't want to do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues are big.
Shit was stupid loud. And then that Honda drives by. Wait, what about me? What about me? The hatchback? Nah, bro. Guys. Oh, this is a heavy beer. Hey. Hey. Oh. You're orange, bro. Yo. Hey. Woody's gonna be. Oh. He's like, can I tase you?
Not yet. We're not.
Let me tase you.
Yeah, is that like a fresh charge?
Yeah.
That seems more gnarly than usual.
Yeah.
Light is
Well, I
bad,
think
too.
when you tase you, yeah, I think when you tase him, it was like low battery.
Yeah, I
It
was.
didn't sound that loud.
This is actually like not even fully charged, actually.
It sounds fully charged.
Yeah, maybe not.
I don't think mine sounds that
Come on, Shane.
We've done it plenty of times.
I like how you like turn your head away so fast. It's funny.
Ow! No, it's not working.
Alright guys.
Hey.
Oh hell no. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't really know what all I got, to be honest with you. I know we went to that car meet for like half a second, drifting a little bit. We got out of there quick because didn't want to get in trouble. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really... What? Oh, it's from the outside though, not like what I have. I'll show you right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. I really do want to start doing some more drifting videos. That shit's so much fun. I plan on hitting up Irwindale and doing their burnout bash yard thing that they have sometimes. But smash that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this, and a lot more to come to the G. We have the wing that we're going to be working on. That's almost done. Fenders are almost done. And then what else do we have? Yeah, just stay tuned. Exhaust videos is going to come. I think we're doing that tomorrow. The starting process of it at least. But I'm a little buzzed, so I'm just going to end this video. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Hope to catch you next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.